Hey, Sharon Durbin Graves, Painting with Acrylics 101.com here in my studio. Hey, have you ever been to Five Below and you've seen their art supplies and you wondered, are they any count? Well, I bought this pencil set and we are going to open her up and see what's all in there. Okay, well here we are with our 26-piece sketching set from Five Below. And here's what it says. It has 6 soft pastels, 6 sketching pencils, 3 charcoal pencils, 3 charcoal sticks, 2 pastel pencils, 2 blending stumps, 1 tortillon, 1 vinyl eraser, 1 kneaded eraser, and 1 2-hole metal sharpener. Hey, let's see, what have we got? These are the charcoal pencils over here. These are the sketching pencils. Let's see what we have. We have a B, and the B means soft. So there's a 4B, a 2B, and HB. HB means, or H means hard. So this is a combination of the two. And then there is an H and a 2H. I'm going to go with the 4B first because that's the softest. It'll make the darkest marks. I thought basically that for $5 this might be a good jumping off point for a beginning drawer. This is, let's see, here's the 2B. Okay, I can feel that it's different. It's harder. And this is just pressure I'm putting on the pencil. I started off with harder pressure, got to lighter pressure. Okay, so this is the B. Okay, I can feel that it is harder still. Putting lighter pressure on the pencil. When I put lighter pressure, for whatever reason, I get smaller. I don't know why that is. So okay, so that, now I'm going to look at, let's see, what do we got here? I'm going to look at the hardest pencil we have, which is a 2H. Oh yeah. Totally feel the difference there. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to take out the kneaded eraser. I thought if this set was any count at all, that the erasers might be, in pretty good shape. And okay, so for $5 for the whole set, so far I've got what, 6 pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils that are pretty good. And here comes a kneaded eraser. A kneaded eraser is really good because you can try to erase, and then when you get the dark, then you can just, that's why it's called a kneaded eraser. You knead it, you push it inside, and you get another clean space. Okay, well this eraser is a good eraser. I always end up having mine in like a ball, and then I have one point that I can get into really small areas. Okay, so that's a good eraser. I am never fond of these kind of erasers. I seldom use them, but let's see what it's got. Maybe it will win me over. Well, it's erasing. So an eraser that erases, that's a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have some blending stumps. Okay, so you take these here and you blend that out. That it's working pretty good. Like all my other blending stumps, that's working well. Let's see what we have in here. This is the messy stuff. These get messy. So let's now when you press hard, you're gonna make a lot of dust. Okay, so don't stress about it. Now let's pull up one of those blending stumps. It's really kind of taking it off rather than blending. But look, you can get some really light shading over here. I kind of like that. Okay, so these work just like any other kind of pastels I have ever used. And this is like soft vine charcoal. This is really messy stuff here. This is the soft. You can, I don't know if you can see how that's, you know, just running down the page basically. Okay, so that's the soft one. Here's a medium one. I can feel the difference in it. And here's the hard one. Yeah, now, and this is what I expected because soft, okay, this is a soft pencil. It's darker, you don't have to press very hard. Here's medium, and that would be that, and this is a hard charcoal, so that would work like that. Now, let me, as I said, this is messy. So, these are charcoal pencils. I never, oh, you know what? This is a really good eraser or a sharpener because usually the holes from a sharpener that I buy, you know, in the store or whatever are too big and these pencils don't fit in. But this is doing exactly what it should be doing. So see how that's, yeah, that's doing exactly what it should be doing. So for me, this is a good pencil sharpener. If for no other, I mean, I've spent a fair amount of money just on pencil sharpeners. That's how I came to be using an X-Acto knife to sharpen my pencils. So if you only got the eraser and the sharpener, the $5 would be worth it because the erasers are like $3 each. The sharpener is $3 to $5, $6 each. The pastels, the blending stuff, for $5. This is an excellent group. I give it a thumbs up. Go to Five Below. Buy that if you want to learn to draw or you just need some drawing supplies. It's a great thing for kids, for travel. It doesn't come in a box that you can keep it in, but you could go to the Dollar Tree, buy some kind of a box for $1.25 and keep it all in there. Now, having said all that, you know that these are going to be messy and these are going to be messy. So if you have a messy child, you might want to pull those out and keep those for yourself. But these are all, it looks like it's all good supplies. So thank you so much for being here. Have a great day and let's paint together real soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video on the sketching set that I bought at Five Below for $5. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. A chalky, dirty thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Share it if you know somebody that would love this kind of content. And thank you so much. You guys have a great day.